Hello.
Hello, Sammy.
Tutaj we have 7 Kinder Joy. Ja tu.
Yes, we have 7 Kinder Joys Rio 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let's open some of them. All of them, I think.
Oh, yeah. I open. Oh, no, there's one. I saw there's one.
Yes.
Oh, no.
What you get there?
Not yet.
Not Rio?
No.
That's some new toy anyway.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, with water.
Uh-oh. You're going to use the shell
Yeah.
into water? Okay, anyway, take a look inside here. 2 chocolate balls in kind of cream. That's what you can find on the other half. Okay, and we have something like this. I mean, that's the collection, and we have this kind of truck. It's not for water, really, Sammy.
It's a firewater.
It's cool. And that's the toy. That's the car.
Yeah.
It's nice. Okay, you can put some stuff inside. What we going to put there? Maybe Captain America can go inside. Hey man, give me a lift. And now, that's cool.
Wow.
Cool?
Yeah, it's me time.
Now you want to try, yeah?
Give me the name, please.
The name of what?
That's
The truck. Let's open another one. Yes, maybe now we're going to find a toy from
yeah.
Rio 2.
Yeah. Just okay. No.
No. Not again?
No, that's for shooting water.
Yes, we found something like this. And you can play in water using this. How? Let's see, we have some water here.
Yeah.
And you kind of suck the water like that. Then you can shoot.
Now we try it.
Yeah, Sammy wants to try.
Okay, how now?
Just push it back, yeah?
Yeah. No, how? Oh, it's not so deep.
Try it.
Okay. Oh no, how? Oh no.
Something like this. Okay, Sammy, let's open another one. The third one.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Okay.
too strong.
Will be Rio 2?
Yes, okay. No!
Oh, come on.
Yeah, come on.
But we have new toy again.
Yeah.
Okay, we have several parts. First we putting this into this, I guess. Yep.
Wow.
It's an egg, actually. Launcher? What is this? Now we have something like that. We're supposed to put it here in the hole or here. Yeah, let's put it there. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Here we have small guy, kind of. As I see on the flyer, we should put him here on this yellow piece. And as I understand, the idea is you should take this, go up, you know, he's supposed to stay all the time here, which is not very easy, and let him, oh, come on, let him go through this, yeah, something like this.
Wow.
Oh, come on. Yeah, I think he's a prisoner. Why should I help him to escape, huh? He's in the jail for a reason. Next one, Sammy, yeah?
Yeah.
The fourth one.
Yeah. Timos. I
Yeah.
think it's year 2 now.
Yes, I
Because
think
you
it.
haven't any year 2.
Yeah, we opened 3 so far and didn't have any real.
No! Again! How?
Yes, that's crazy. That's a shooter, I think, Sammy. First, take a look on the flyer. That's the collection, and we have this or that one. The red one, so this one actually. Kind of watch with an option to shoot. Okay, and that's our watch. Let's open this stuff, yes. Then we have a few rings. We're putting them inside. We can close it. Yeah?
Put it under your
Yeah, and it's supposed to shoot now, I guess.
toe. Ah!
Yeah.
It's inside.
It works. Seems like it works.
Ah! Come on. Oh. Look! Now inside.
Okay? You have the bullets now. So, let's put them in. Hey!
And how shoot?
Close it, then. Wow, good!
Let me try.
So we have 3 Kinder Joys left.
Maybe it's year 2 now.
I hope we're going to find finally
Yeah.
Kinder Joy toy.
Yeah.
Not Kinder Joy, Rio 2 toy.
No!
Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding. What's that?
Something new.
Definitely it's something new, but what's that? Yeah, we have this flyer again, and we found this. We'll see. Ah, you blow it?
Yeah.
In the water?
Yeah.
No. I know, into water on the table, I think. Let's try it.
Ah, it's bigger.
Yes! Yes! Look at this one, Sammy. That's pretty cool. Never seen anything like this before. Yeah! That's nice.
It's year 2.
Yeah, maybe this time.
Yeah, because any year 2. Maybe
Yes.
that one, maybe this
We
one.
opened 5 eggs
Yeah.
and no Rio 2 toy.
Yeah. Okay.
But we found some different toys and they are cool.
No! The same!
The same?
No!
Yes, actually the same track like we just had it here.
Yeah, let's put that yet
Yeah. And the last chance to find Rio 2 toy.
Yeah. Maybe now is.
Okie dokie.
Okay. Not!
Oh man, what is going on?
Yeah. You see? It's here too!
Is it?
Yeah.
It is actually.
But
Yeah.
the different series, I think.
Yeah, it's not a figure, but it's about Rio 2, yeah? Kind of hockey stuff, I think. Let's check it. Okay, so we found something like this. You see there, we made kind of a goal. We have this as a ball or something.
Let's play it.
Yeah,
I like this one.
okay.
Come on.
And we're trying to score this into the goal.
Yeah.
Yes! Okay. Uh-oh.
I like this.
You like it?
This.
That's cool. That's cool. Okay, let me try again.
Again, I like him. So, let's go. Let me try it.
From this distance, Sammy?
Yeah. Oh, no.
So we opened 7 Kinder Joys. We found some toys. No Rio two figures, but we found some cool toys, yeah?
Yeah.
Some spinners. Yeah.
I like them.
Okay, Sammy. That's all for today. Please subscribe, stay in touch, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thumbs up.
Yeah, the spinners are cool.